Hi and welcome to our lesson on sharing in a ratio. We will be looking at the method that we developed in the previous lesson and from this creating steps to follow. We'll begin by looking at an example. Share £50 in the ratio 2:3. In this ratio we have 2 parts and 3 parts. The aim is to find the value of one part so that we can then find the values of 2 and 3 parts. To do this, we need to find the total number of parts. We start by adding the numbers in the ratio 2 plus 3 equals 5. So there are 5 parts in total in our ratio. £50 is the same as 5 parts. To find one part, we divide the amount by the total number of parts. We divide £50 by 5. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. So one part is £10. Now we can go back to our original ratio. Because we know the value of one part, we can work out the value of 2 parts and of 3 parts. We simply multiply each number in the ratio by the value of one part. So in this case, 2 times £10 equals £20, and 3 times £10 equals £30. We will look at this example again, but this time we will follow 3 steps. Step 1. Find the total number of parts. We can do this by looking at the ratio 2:3. There are 2 parts on the left and 3 parts on the right. To find the total, we calculate 2 plus 3, which equals 5. So there are 5 parts in total. Step 2. Divide the amount by the total number of parts. The amount is £50 and the total number of parts is 5. £50 divided by 5 equals £10. £10 is the value of one part. Step 3. Multiply each number in the ratio by the value of one part. The ratio is 2:3. So we multiply both 2 and 3 by £10. 2 times £10 equals £20, and 3 times £10 equals £30. So one person would receive £20 and the other person would receive £30. Here's another example. Share $20 in the ratio 1:3. Step 1. Find the total number of parts. For this, we look at our ratio 1:3. 1 plus 3 equals 4, so the total number of parts is 4. Step 2. Divide the amount by the total number of parts. The amount is $20 and the total number of parts is 4. 20 divided by 4 equals 5, so one part is $5. Step 3. Multiply each number in the ratio by the value of one part. The ratio is 1:3, and the value of one part is $5. 1 times $5 equals $5. 3 times $5 equals $15. So we have a ratio of $5 to $15. Share 40 grams in the ratio 3:7. Step 1. Find the total number of parts. We look at our ratio 3:7. 3 plus 7 equals 10, so the total number of parts is 10. Step 2. Divide the amount by the total number of parts. The amount is 40 grams and the total number of parts is 10. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. So one part is 4 grams. Step 3. Multiply each number in the ratio by the value of one part. The ratio is 3:7 and the value of one part is 4 grams. 3 times 4 grams equals 12 grams. 7 times 4 grams equals 28 grams. So we have a ratio of 12 grams to 28 grams. Share 120 sweets in the ratio 5 to 7. Step 1. Find the total number of parts. We look at our ratio 5 to 7. 5 plus 7 equals 12. So the total number of parts is 12. Step 2. Divide the amount by the total number of parts. The amount is 120, and the total number of parts is 12. 120 divided by 12 equals 10. So one part is 10. Step 3. Multiply each number in the ratio by the value of one part. The ratio is 5 to 7, and the value of one part is 10. 5 times 10 equals 50, and 7 times 10 equals 70. So we have a ratio of 50 sweets to 70 sweets. Here are some questions for you to try. Pause the video and have a go. Question 1. Share 10 kilograms in the ratio 3 to 2. Step 1. Find the total number of parts. 3 plus 2 equals 5, so 5 parts in total. Step 2. Divide the amount by the total number of parts. 10 kilograms divided by 5 equals 2 kilograms, so one part is 2 kilograms. Step 3. Multiply each number in the ratio by the value of one part. 3 times 2 kilograms equals 6 kilograms, and 2 times 2 kilograms equals 4 kilograms. So we have a ratio of 6 kilograms to 4 kilograms. Question 2. Share $30 in the ratio 5 to 1. Step 1. Find the total number of parts. 5 plus 1 equals 6, so 6 parts in total. Step 2. Divide the amount by the total number of parts. $30 divided by 6 equals $5, so one part is $5. Step 3. Multiply each number in the ratio by the value of one part. 5 times $5 equals $25, and 1 times $5 equals $5. So we have a ratio of $25 to $5. Question 3. Share 54 sweets in the ratio 4 to 5. Step 1. Find the total number of parts. 4 plus 5 equals 9, so 9 parts in total. Step 2. Divide the amount by the total number of parts. 54 divided by 9 equals 6, so one part is 6. Step 3. Multiply each number in the ratio by the value of one part. 4 times 6 equals 24, and 5 times 6 equals 30. So we have a ratio of 24 sweets to 30 sweets. Question 4. Share £132 in the ratio 7 to 4. Step 1. Find the total number of parts. 7 plus 4 equals 11, so 11 parts in total. Step 2. Divide the amount by the total number of parts. £132 divided by 11 equals £12, so one part is £12. Step 3. Multiply each number in the ratio by the value of one part. 7 times £12 equals £84, and 4 times £12 equals £48. So we have a ratio of £84 to £48. Thank you for watching. For further practice, more questions are available on our website.